Hi, everybody, and welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jam. This is my jam, and I have a big unboxing for you today. Technically, it's like doing 5 unboxings, but really, then it's more like just doing 3 unboxings. But got some Coach items for you. But before we do that, I did get some new jewelry from Julia. They gifted this to me, and I wanted to show you guys because right now they're running some big sales with they're like wedding day sales, things like that, because summer's wedding time. So I will have them linked in the description box down below, along with a coupon code to get a percentage off of your purchase if you decided to pursue something from Julia. But their items always come nicely packaged in a box, and since it's wedding season, I requested rings. So let's see, it starts off with read before removing jewelry tags. So I want to read that before you remove the jewelry tag. You can scan here for more information about Julia. In case you want to do it, you can stop the camera and do that. They come with a little bag. And then I have already opened these because when you get them, the rings themselves come in a little plastic bag inside the box. And I think that they, you can't see them like that. So I took them out and I just put them in the box with their little tags. So this first one is a knot design, and it's still sterling silver plated.
It's a knot design, so
Knot.
what is it?
Knot design.
Okay.
I think I got these all bigger. Yeah, so they'd fit like on my middle finger.
That kind of knot.
Is that pretty though? It just shines.
Very pretty.
See it good?
Mm-hmm.
So that's one. You can get, the cool thing about these too is you can get, there's a ton of sizes. I mean, they run the gamut for sizes. Like this one's a 9.5 and fits on my middle finger good. I don't know if that would fit on my pointer finger. I don't know what good. Yeah, I see. I probably want a 10 on there. But you can have, not only can you get the size you want, but you also can change the stone colors. And they have a ton of different stone colors for you to choose from. The second one I got is the two-tone custom heart promise ring. I didn't know what a promise ring was when I was younger, and my boyfriend gave me one at one time, and he's like, oh, it's a promise ring. And I'm like, oh, what's that? And it's supposed to mean something like a promise to be promised that eventually you'll get engaged, which didn't happen. But here is this one. Show you first in the box. I kept it just as is. I did that with all these this time because in the past I've done a lot of different colors and changed out the stones. So here's this one. It's got a sapphire stone and then the white diamond-like stones. It's just so pretty with the little heart. So beautiful, beautiful. And these are awesome. The ones I have, I wear all the time, like in the shower, doing the dishes, everything. And I've had no discoloration, no nothing. Like you can see, there's 2 different metals here, which is really cool too. Can you tell that?
You can.
Okay, on there. So I got that ring. I love rings, so I'm so excited whenever I get anything from them. And their prices are decent too, especially for the quality of what you're getting. Lastly, I have the multicolored Trinity Woman's Wedding Ring. And this is very similar to a Cartier ring that they put out, but, you know, a fraction of the cost. And this one I had my regular size on, like this should be a 7. And it's got the 3 different rose gold, and silver with the little like morganite stones in it. Isn't that cool?
Very pretty.
Here's the back side if you want to see that. So it's got the 3 different metals in it. And I just think it's super pretty. And yeah, Cartier has a ring like this that's about, I don't know, $1,500. This one's not $1,500. So, yeah, I highly recommend their rings. I have loved all of mine. I would love them even if they weren't gifted, but they were, which was super, super nice of them. And I mean, this, like so many people, I know there's two different things. Like, number one, you don't want to break the bank when you're getting married. So, I think it's a good alternative to buying a super expensive stone. But even if you're like really sentimental and you still want, the diamond, the whole shebang. Well, first off, you can get stuff like that made here, but so many times, like if you're going to the beach, you're going on vacation or something like that, you may want a beautiful ring too, but not necessarily want to take out your own ring. It's another thing that you can get where you're not wearing anything like cheap and gaudy, and we all know how some of the gaudy jewelry gets, how the golds look and stuff. These look really nice. Nobody would know the difference, and then you'd have a ring that you you still are paying for it, so you don't want to lose it either way. But I just think they're really beautiful, beautiful jewelry and rings, and the fact that you can wear them day in and day out. You don't have to take them off to shower. You don't have to take them off to wash the dish. I mean, they're awesome. So again, they'll be linked in the description box down below, along with some more of their information about their sales and a link to them and a coupon code if you want to purchase anything from them. So now Coach. Okay, the first Coach item I got was from Macy's. This time, it's not in a bag. It's in a box. And I was excited for this. So, I don't know if you guys saw, there's the Americana items Coach put out. And apparently not on their website at all. The only place I have ever seen anything listed was Macy's. There is a quilted tabby that I want so bad that came out in this, and apparently was on Macy's website to pre-order for a few seconds, and it sold out immediately. Now the regular tabby, I believe, is still on the site, and the item that I purchased is still, it is off and on the site. I check back a couple times a day, just hoping that maybe by some sheer miracle the quilted tabby will show back up again. It hasn't, but this bag has shown up off and on again. The tabby has always been there. There was a pochette that was on there, then off, then on, then off, and I haven't seen it again. Now, currently, this one, the last time I checked, was on. But I don't want to show you till I get it all the way open here. So this came in a nice box. And you can start seeing the colors here. I don't have anything like this. And I had to get something from this collection. And at the time, the only items that were available for me were the...
Is that a headrest?
Was the tabby that I didn't want. It's pretty, but just... After I saw the quilted one, that's the one I want. And that one's a regular tabby. And this... I think I probably originally would have wanted the pochette, but that wasn't available at the time, and so I'm like, I'm getting this. Then it became available, but I'm like, now that I looked at the two and for the price, I'm going to keep this one. This came to, what was it, one something? I'll have the cameraman look because he can see.
$195.
$195. I think it was $150. I don't think it was $195. Might have been $195, and then the other one was $250. That might have been it, though. But this is just a round bag in the red, white, and blue. And then this is going to have to be a bag that I carry when, like, I'm on a vacation or going a shopping trip or whatever else. You have a spot here where you probably could put your credit cards. Oh, there we go. Okay. And it's got like a canvas light colored interior. And then the bag itself is nice and squishy. Like, Coach, come out with some of these colors, like this blue, in other bags. That's one of the reasons I like the quilted tabby. It was red, white, and blue, but it had floral on it and all kinds of other good things. And this was the closest thing to me to it. So it does come with a strap. The strap is obviously removable and adjustable. Looks like a very long strap, so I'm thinking it's going to easily go cross-body. Yeah, on me and for sure others. And just, yeah, I wouldn't use it as a weekly bag. I just don't think there's enough room in it for me. I mean, I guess I could, but I wouldn't. This will be I'm going out shopping. I'm going to a Memorial Day parade. I'm going to a July 4th parade, you know, something like that.
Farmer's market.
Yeah, I think it's really cute, really comfortable, really squishy.
Flea market.
And I love it. Yeah, does that mean we're going to go do one of those things?
Probably this Saturday, huh?
Maybe, yeah. So there's that. And then there's another item that I got. And I have one more Coach item coming, but so far. But this one, I saw it and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm getting it. And then I'm like, oh, is this one of the mini sizes again? Because I don't want it in the mini size. And it wasn't. It was the full size. Not the full size. Comes in 3 sizes. Can you guys guess? There's 2 bags that I especially love from Coach. One is the tabby. This is not a tabby. This is another, it'll be my 4th bag of this type. So this came in a box too, which was nice. Thank you very much, Coach Outlet. It's an outlet bag. And I saw this online and I added to cart so fast. Then I had to go back and make sure I didn't screw up and get a mini one. And then I saw it in store, the mini one. And I'm like, oh, yes. I am so glad I got this. This is the Rowan. Not the Rogue, like I was calling it one of the last videos. We've all seen the straps here. They have adjustable, removable straps. The one side is blue, the other side is blue.
That's weird.
And look at this. It's the signature print in this pretty, like, bluish green.
A doctor bag.
Like, perfect for summer. I know you love calling them that. And, yeah, what this one was, what was this, $2.95?
Are you asking
or
or telling?
I think it says $2.85, but these were $1.99. It's $1.99 on the outlet site, and I was lucky enough to get one. Like I said, I added it to cart so fast because I love these. As we know, I have this one in the, oh, I always forget the name of this, with the silver hardware. This has gold hardware. I have the one.
Isn't that gunmetal hardware on that brown one?
Oh. Was it? I thought it was silver. Oh, no, it is gunmetal. Yeah, you're right. Look at you. So I have this one. I should know the name. I can't remember. Then I got this one. And I have the red one up there. And this. I just thought this was a perfect summer bag. Isn't this the perfect summer bag?
I was thinking more along the lines of Easter, but...
Okay, I get Easter too, but like, oh, blue water.
Do you need some alone time with your bag?
Maybe. Okay, so this is, again, going to have just a ton of stuffing. Yeah, you can tell this wasn't a return. I'm just surprised it came so nicely packaged.
Ah, they got your note.
Way to go, Coach, right? Or Coach Outlet. These are outlet bags.
I think they have contests at the Coach store to see how much stuff they can actually put in a bag.
Right? I did not get the pink, and I had thought I had wanted that originally, and now I'm like, now I know why, because this blue was coming, and this blue is my color. It is so pretty. The color is just so good. So, yeah, that's what I got. Now I don't even know what I did with the other. Here it is.
You're going to show us the inside of the blue water bag?
Oh, sure. It matches.
Oh, wow, there's still stuffing in there.
Right. There's a pocket over on this side, a zipper pocket on the other side. Looks like a menstrual pad in there.
That's a heavy flow.
And, yeah, just, it's all protected here. But, yeah, just a nice big opening. And
those don't have feet?
no feet. Has
Till
pretty
Brooklyn.
piping. And what I like too is the fact that the zipper opens up all the way along the side. So the opening is nice and generous. Unlike a Speedy that shuts you off right here, Coach does the extra, and that makes all the difference in the world. So did you want to show something else in there? You seem pretty enamored with that. The back does have a zipper pocket. I don't know why they cut them this way. Wow, this one's pretty smooth. Because, yeah, see, they're harder to get with this, with the fact that the canvas comes up closer to the zipper. I don't like that they do that, but I can tell you that you can, it's deep enough that you could stick, at least I can stick my phone in it sideways, and it fits in there decently.
That doesn't hold a rotary phone back there.
Where I'm not concerned that it's going to fall out. Comes with a removable adjustable strap. And she's a beaut, Clark. She's a beaut.
Kind of matches his leisure suit.
Yeah. I'm loving it. So I was super excited. I've had these bags now sitting here, and I so wanted to open them. And I'm so glad now that I got to show you guys. So, what do you guys think? I think they're awesome. So, I think that's everything. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. I would really appreciate it. I do put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays in regards to both luxury and contemporary handbags and small leather goods and other things that are my jam, like the jewelry, things like that. On Mondays, I do bag swaps where I swap from my current bag into my new bag, and I also switch out all the small leather goods, and I will tell you a little bit about every piece that I'm using or going to use. I occasionally will have videos come up on a Thursday. They would be book-related videos where I'll do a book haul, tell you what I've been reading, what I want to read, show you the books that I've purchased. You can find me over on Instagram if you haven't already. I'm there as well at James Jam. It's just JAME_S_Jam. And I have a lot of good stuff coming up. I have at least another 2 unboxings, a Coach and I think Michael Kors. And then I also want to show you how my bag turned out. The one that I bought, like a plain canvas bag, and said I was going to doctor it up a little bit. I got that done. I love it. So I'll be showing that in the near future. So yeah, lots of fun stuff to come. Please consider subscribing. To those of you that are subscribed, I really appreciate it very, very much. And until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Thank you so much for watching.